Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the resolution of your Nintendo Switch 2 when using the dock with a TV or monitor. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the display section. Within here, look for the option called TV Resolution, and if you select this, you can change the resolution to one of the available options. Remember that if you have 120Hz turned on, you won't be able to use this with 4K, as your resolution will need to be set to 1080p or 1440p for it to work. Feel free to test or try the other display settings here, such as the RGB range, as this can affect what's shown on the screen. You may also need to modify some of the settings on your TV or monitor itself. That's how to change the resolution of your Nintendo Switch 2 when using the dock with a TV or monitor. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.